Welcome to this quick reset meditation. I understand that you might feel overwhelmed right now, and you're not alone. In just a few short minutes, we'll go through a gentle practice designed to help you find your calm, regain your clarity, and restore a sense of choice in your situation. This is a practice you can come back to anytime you need. So let's take a moment together to pause, breathe, and reset. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sara Raymond, and I am honored to have the opportunity to support you today. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Start by bringing your awareness to the present moment, to draw your attention away from any swirling thoughts and anchor you in the here and now. Look around your space and gently notice what you can see. You may notice the color of the wall, a piece of furniture, or perhaps a detail you hadn't noticed before. Now notice what you can feel. Perhaps the texture of your clothing, the surface beneath you, or the air as it makes contact with your skin. Listen to the sounds in your environment. You may hear a ticking clock, the subtle sounds of nature, or you can simply listen to the sound of my voice. Take a moment to acknowledge what you can smell. If you can't immediately sense anything, notice the absence of a smell. Now focus on a taste. Maybe it's a lingering flavor from a meal or drink, or simply the freshness of water. This experience is not about distraction. It is about deeply connecting with the environment to provide a solid grounding in the present moment. You can carry this grounded presence into the rest of this practice. Now allow your awareness to rest on your breath as I guide you into a focused, square breath pattern. This technique is particularly effective in regulating your nervous system and helping to calm the mind and reduce stress quickly. You will breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 4, and hold again for another count of 4. I'll guide the first one and you can continue on your own. If 4 feels too long, you can do the same pattern for a count of 3. Now breathe out completely to prepare. Then breathe in through your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out slowly. 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue on your own. As you breathe in, imagine drawing calmness into your body. As you hold, allow the calm to settle within you. As you breathe out, release anything that is no longer serving you. And as you hold again, create a space for peace within you. Repeat this pattern a few more times, recognizing that each cycle helps you to center your mind and bring you back to a state of balance. Let go of the square breathing as you are ready, and allow your breath to return to a natural and automatic rhythm. And notice how you are feeling after a few cycles of focused breath. Now take a moment to see your current experience from a different perspective, from a new state of mind. Consider what aspects of your situation are within your control. Acknowledge what you can manage and gently release concerns over the aspects you cannot control. This mental shift can reduce feelings of helplessness and restore your sense of agency. Imagine yourself handling the tasks or situations that overwhelm you with calmness and competence because you have taken the time to pause and shift your perspective. See yourself moving through each task effortlessly, solving problems as they arise with a clear, confident, and composed mind. Remember, to get where you want to go, you must take one small step at a time. As you visualize successful outcomes, you can boost your confidence and reduce anxiety about real-life challenges. Now, as we begin to close this meditation, gently bring your attention back to the room around you. Notice the sounds, the light, and the space. Take another long, slow breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Feel refreshed and focused with a clear mind, ready to return to your day with a new perspective and renewed energy. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Remember that managing overwhelm is not just about coping in the moment, but you are also building resilience for the future. Each time you practice, you strengthen your ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease.